हे गाइस, हेलो एवरीवन। मैं आप सब लोग का वेलकम करता हूँ ऑनलाइन सीएसआर के लाइफ साइंस चैनल पे, अन अकेडमी के सीएसआर लाइफ साइंस चैनल पे। मैं हिमांशु यादव और हम लोग आज करने वाले हैं नया टॉपिक। हम लोग शुरू करने वाले हैं नाइट्रोजन मेटाबॉलिज्म। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा दैट यू नीड टू गो टू द गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे जाके आपको अन अकेडमी का लर्निंग ऐप इंस्टॉल करना है। उसके बाद यू नीड टू सेलेक्ट योर गोल में यू नीड टू सेलेक्ट सीएसआर यूजीसी नेट। तो जैसे ही आप करेंगे आपको जितने भी फ्री कोर्स होंगे दैट इज़ अवेलेबल फॉर फ्री वो आपको मिल जाएंगे। And if you want to go for more, then you need to go for the plus subscription. The plus subscription is available for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. Uh, well, I would recommend that each one of you go for 12 months to 24 months of subscription, because this is an ideal amount of time that is available for each one of you for clearing the exam. And don't forget to use the referral code HY10. So you can use the referral code HY10 for getting for subscribing to the class and getting 10% off. So you need to proceed to the payment, and payment can be done either by debit card or by credit card or by EMI. And these EMI are all no cost EMI. Payment can also be done by net banking. So it is done by the SBI. So this is my profile. You can follow me on an academy. My name is Himanshu Yadav and I teach in CSIR using JRF. So you can follow me. I have cleared a little bit about me. I have cleared CSIR using JRF several times. I have also cleared AIS in agriculture biotechnology, and I have cleared grade BT with top ranks. So you can follow me on an academy. So we have started the ultimate course on life sciences for CSIR batch 1, which has started on January the 25th. So myself, Himanshu Yadav sir, Nihat Taneja ma'am, Viren Singh sir and Mohammad Salman sir are taking this course. So आज का टॉपिक है नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन. तो बायोलॉजिकल नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन आज का टॉपिक है. Guys, if you can please like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, it will be very useful. सो नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन में क्या होता है कि बायोलॉजिकल नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन में यहाँ पे कन्वर्जन होता है ऑफ डाई नाइट्रोजन गैस इनटू अमोनिया। तो बेसिकली अवेलेबिलिटी कराई जाती है ऑफ फिक्स नाइट्रोजन विच इज़ ऑफन अ फैक्टर मोस्ट लिमिटिंग टू द प्लांट ग्रोथ। सो जो नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन एबिलिटी होती है विच इज दैट इज लिमिटेड टू फ्यू बैक्टीरिया either as free living organism or in symbiosis with higher plants. So first attempt to increase the forest growth through nitrogen fixation was done in Lithuania. ये बायोलॉजिकल नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन का इक्वेशन है। नाइट्रोजन प्लस 8 फ्लेवोडॉक्सिन प्लस 8 प्रोटॉन्स प्लस 16 मैग्नीशियम ATP प्लस 18 water molecule giving 2 molecules of ammonium, 2 molecules of hydroxyl ion, 8 flavodoxin, 16 mg-ADP, 16 H2PO4 and then water. So nitrogenase enzyme act करता है इसके ऊपर. So it is rare and extremely energy consuming conversion because of stability of triple bonded nitrogen. So it produces fixed nitrogen which can be directly assimilated into nitrogen containing biomolecules. So this is the ecology of nitrogen fixing bacteria. So there is symbiosis, then there is association, and then there is free living bacteria, which is Rhodospirillum. Then there is association in this case of Azospirillum, and then there is symbiosis in case of Rhizobium. So these are the three different ways of nitrogen fixation in bacteria. So this one is a diagrammatic representation of primary nitrogen fixation genera. So free living में first of all diazotropes are classified into heterotrophs and photoautotrophs. In heterotrophs they are classified into free living and symbiotic. In case of photoautotroph they are also classified into free living and symbiotic. In case of free living there is aerobic, there is facultative, anaerobe, there is anaerobic, and in case of symbiotic there is non-nodule formation and then there is nodule formation. In non-nodule forming there is rhizosphere and there is phyllosphere. In nodule forming there is legume and non-legume. Then there is free living. Free living में there is cyanobacteria and then there is other bacteria. So cyanobacteria में there is Anabina, Calothrix, Nostoc, Trichodesmium, and other bacteria में there is Chlorobium, Chromatium, and Rhodospirillum. And symbiotic में there is nodule forming bacteria which is Nostoc, and nodule forming bacteria basically include Nostoc. Guys, if you have any question then probably you can ask. तो जो नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन होता है ये रिक्वायर करता है एनर्जी इनपुट which includes reduction reaction where electrons must be added, and this is sensitive to oxygen. It requires approximately 35 kilojoules of energy per mole of nitrogen fixed theoretically. So actual cost is 15 to 30 grams of CH per gram of ammonia produced. So there is assimilation of ammonia into organic form which takes place around this much. So what is the enzymology of nitrogen fixation? So it occurs only in certain prokaryotes. So rhizobia fixed nitrogen in symbiotic association with leguminous plants. So rhizobia fixed nitrogen for the plant, and plant provide rhizobia with carbon substrate. So all nitrogen fixing systems appear to be identical. So they require nitrogenase, which is reductant, there is reduced ferredoxin, then there is ATP, and then there is oxygen free conditions and regulatory controls which inhibit the expression of NIF genes. So in biological nitrogen fixation there is reduction of atmospheric nitrogen to ammonium ions. So this enzyme is oxygen sensitive and it is known as nitrogenase enzyme. So reducing power is provided by NADPH and ferredoxin via a molybdenum iron center. This is important, it has been asked in the question many times. So plant genome, they lack any genes encoding this enzyme, which occurs only in prokaryotes. So even within the bacteria, only certain free living bacteria, basically Klebsiella, Azospirillum, Azotobacter, blue-green bacteria, and a few symbiotic rhizobial species are known as nitrogen fixers. Another nitrogen fixing association exists between actinomycetes, that is Frankia, and alder, which is Alnus species. So जो एंजाइम है नाइट्रोजनेज, ये कैटलाइज करता है कन्वर्जन ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक गैसियस डाई नाइट्रोजन एंड डाई हाइड्रोजन टू अमोनिया as shown in the chemical equation below. So nitrogen plus 3 molecules of hydrogen will give 2 molecules of ammonia. So above reaction seems to be simple enough, and the atmosphere is 78% nitrogen. So there is an incredibly strong bond in nitrogen. So there is an incredibly strong bond in nitrogen which makes reaction very difficult to carry out efficiently. In fact, nitrogenase consumes 16 moles of ATP for every molecule of nitrogen it reduces to ammonia, which makes it one of the most energy expensive processes known in nature. तो जो नाइट्रोजनेस का जो कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है ये टू प्रोटीन कंपोनेंट्स इंक्लूड करता है. ये इंक्लूड करता है नाइट्रोजनेस रिडक्टेज एंड देन देयर इज नाइट्रोजनेस एंजाइम. So nitrogenous reductase is a 60 kilodalton homodimer with a single Fe and S cluster. It is very oxygen sensitive. It binds magnesium ATP, and 4 ATP are required per pair of electron transfer. So there is reduction of nitrogen to ammonia, and hydrogen requires 4 pair of electron. So 16 ATP are consumed per nitrogen molecule. So 16 ATP are consumed per nitrogen molecule. So why should nitrogenase need ATP? So nitrogen reduction to ammonia is thermodynamically favorable. However, the activation barrier for breaking the nitrogen-nitrogen triple bond is enormous. So 16 ATP provide the needed activation energy. All right. And nitrogenous enzyme hota hai, it contains 2 molecules of molybdenum, 32 molecules of iron, which is equal to 30 equivalents of acid labile sulfide, 4 FeS and 4 S clusters plus 2 FeMoCO and iron molybdenum cofactor. So nitrogenase is a slow 12 electron pairs per second. That is only 3 molecules of nitrogen per second are processed. So thank you guys. I hope the session was useful. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. You can use our my referral code HY10 for getting 10% off on the Next Gen Academy subscription and also subscribing to the classes. So thank you guys. I hope there are no questions. If there are any, you can post in the comment box and I will end the session. I'm ending the session over here. Thank you guys.